Today we're going to do an upcycled mirror with 3 basic items. What we need: a rope, mirror, and a plywood. Let's start. So we're going to measure the center of the plywood, make a marking right in the middle. Take the mirror, flip it over, use a very strong glue. This is very important. We're going to mount the mirror and the plywood together. Firmly press it down and let it dry. For the last step, apply the strip of glue, twirling the rope around the mirror. I'm actually repeating this process until all the surface is covered. Trim off the excess of the rope. Alright, just gonna let the glue set in for 1-2 minutes and we're good. There you go, our upcycled mirror. You can actually place this in a bathroom, your living room, or actually as a decorative piece in your house.